Alright, so I got all my Haunted Ridge stuff cleaned up the best I could. Got all my Crystal Vista stuff cleaned up. All my Crystal Vista crystals. Got some Phantom Quartz in here. So go check out that video. But now it's time to clean my Avant stuff. So I got these from the Avant crystal mine. I found this freaking beauty. It's starting to split right there, so I gotta be really careful. So let's get these all cleaned up. These are my favorites. And then I got all of these. So let's get these cleaned up and see what's underneath all this clay and dirt. Let's start with this one. Yeah, that's such a great feeling when the clay just slides right off. Wow. That's cool. Let's see what this one looks like. Such a weird shape. Now here's my favorite. So let's see what this thing looks like after we dunk it. It's like a submarine. You can see all these little crystals right here, literally sticking into the main crystal. Right there. That's crazy. Still got some stuff that's hard to remove. Let's do this. Got a layer of something on it, like a shell. Hopefully I can get that off. I'll let that sit over here. This one's got the same stuff. It flakes off. I'll have to get a toothpick pick away at it. I'm gonna have to spray this one off. We'll let it dry, let that clay dry up. This is a cool piece. Got crystals up on top and little mini crystals in the bottom. This is actually really interesting. I could see some phantom quartz in here. See if I can see it. Dang fly. Right there. Boom. That's so cool. You can see those two crystals at the bottom. They literally drive straight through the big one. Looks like we got a double term. That's cool. Let me clean this up. There we go. I found some cool stuff at the Avant mine. I actually just cleaned this. There's a phantom right there. Look at that. So cool. Got some water clear ones. This one's pretty cool. Got veins in it. Pink and black and white. I want to find another phantom. That one's shaped interesting. Looks like we got a double term. Boom. 0.1, 0.2. This one has an interesting shape. Look at that. That is weird. I've never seen that. That's cool. Looks like we got ourselves another double term. Sweet. Look at that. Focus, 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 focus. There we go. That's cool.